Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you guys? I hope everybody is fine and everybody is doing good. As you can see from the morning, my ammo has started to pack my tiffin, and that's a regular job for her, as like I go to school every day and she has to pack lunch for me every day. So every day she's like, what should I give today and what should I give tomorrow? Anyway, she packed me today some roti with sabzi and also some rice with chicken. And then she's giving me some fruits like always. I always get some fruits. I got some apples and some grapes. And then I was going to school. I went to my bus. My bus was here. And then I climbed onto the bus. I went to school. And then my mom came back. She was coming back from the lift. I live quite in a high level. Like I live in very tough floors. That's why takes a little bit time in the lift. Anyway, after my Amu had come back from dropping us off to the bus, she's preparing a cup of tea for herself, and she's also having a bread toast and a toast with the tea. And then she had her breakfast. She had the toast with the tea. It is really crunchy because I also know I have also ate this toast and it's actually really super crunchy. And that's just a bread that I think my Amu fried it with ghee. And then let's move on to the very important course of the day, that is the cooking. This is like a must for every day for my Amu. So without wasting any time, she started. First of all, she is making a cauliflower curry with fishes. So for that, as the name suggests, we need cauliflower. And on that side, as you can see, my Ammu has started to fry the fishes. And in here, she's cooking the cauliflowers. She's going to make it like a cooked vegetable like type, not like fry or bharta type. She's going to cook it. So as you can see, she's already cooking it, and she also put tomatoes in there and all the necessary ingredients that includes fish and cauliflower and potato. Of course, she put potato and water, and then she cooked it together, and it's next we can move forward to the beetroot fry. These are beetroot with potato, and these are chilies, and this is ginger garlic paste, and this is salt, and this is turmeric, and this is I don't know, and then mix. Yes, and then mix it all together like this, and then it will become a nice fry that you can eat with roti or paratha or anything you want. And we are done. And then we came home, and my Bunu was having her lunch. I just took a bath, so I was like drying my hair. But anyway, my Bunu was eating, and yeah, as you saw, that cauliflower and fish curry, and there was the beetroot curry, and I was eating in here. I know you must be asking, why am I eating with spoon? It's not like different people choice, but I usually eat with hands. But it was like I had cut in my hand because of the project I was making, so like I had few cuts in my hand. That is the reason I couldn't eat. Anyway, finally, we have come to the evening time, and now is the time to have some snacks. That's why my Ammu has started to make paneer pakora. I actually hate paneer. I don't like it at all. I just dislike it for some reason. It doesn't taste good to me. It tastes so bad. I know there are so many paneer lovers and they love paneer. I know even my best friend loves paneer, but I don't know. I just don't like it at all. Not at all. Anyway, but my Ammu is making it, and I don't think I will like it, but I'm sure you guys will. So for that, the ingredients are already written side below, and you can follow the same ingredients like this, and then you can try to make it. And I hope that you will like it. Just put all the ingredients inside a bowl, like ginger garlic paste, some that something and something, and then this thing, and then now put corn flour, and then you can put turmeric, and then we can go ahead by putting more turmeric, and then mix it all together. And it looks, I mean, it doesn't look, it will become very nice mixture once we add water. Then we will add water, and we are going to mix it nicely until it becomes not sticky. It becomes a wetty type moist mixture, a perfect dark mixture, just like this. uh, and when the consistency of the liquid becomes like this, you can understand it is good to go. Just like this. And then you can pour oil in the pan, heat it up. Then our paneers you can put in this mixture, then put it in the oil and fry it, and deep fry it for like until it becomes like this golden brown. I think it's golden brown, like this, until it becomes. And then you'll understand you're good to go. Yes, just like this. You can fry it very nicely in medium heat. And then now when it's like golden brown, you can serve it hot. Take it all out and it looks so good. After I had my snacks in the evening, I was having my tuition, and like I had exam the next day. Farhana also had, my Bunu also had, so like, but she was done, so she went to sleep, but I was still studying, and I was having my tuition class. As I told you, my teacher was helping me to study. She cleared all my doubts, and yeah, after studying I had some little bit food, and then I went to sleep. And that's all for today. I hope you like it. Bye bye. Masalama.